Sorry class, what's up? So this is the last part. This is my third time doing this. I didn't redo the last one, but this one I've royally screwed up two times. So third time the charm, right? Let me just, I should try again later. Okay. So converting this second part when you have the user input a number and they try to convert it to a Roman numeral, that's the part we're doing. Okay. And if you look at it, it's once again you gotta look at the similarities in each if statement. Okay. So we're starting by comparing 1,000, then 900, then 500. Hold on, my sister just texted me. Sorry. So once again, we got to look at the similarities and make that into a little loop. So looking at this, scrolling through this, last time we were using this set of vectors to match. Like if we had an I in it, we match it with this. If we had a V in it, we match it with this. So we got to be matching this time from the number to the letter. Okay. And you see, it's the if statement that looks at the number. So this is our key. But the difference now is we have more options. We have the 900, we have the 400. So here, we got to add these other options. We got to add the 4, the 9, 40, 90, 400, the 900. Because those are all if statements that we're checking. And then we got to check we got to do the corresponding ones. I-axis corresponds to 9. XL corresponding to here. XC corresponding to here. CD corresponding to here. And C. Okay. So now we have those set. So all if statements can check with 1,000, 900, 500, 400. So we check with these index. So this vector and match it with these. Cool. Now the key is, last time we started at I and went up. Now we're starting at 1,000 and going down. So we got to go keep this. Okay, we still need to be checking the number, but the new loop we're adding is it this part here? So can't leave this out. Okay. So still the same idea. We're subtracting from the initial number. Okay. So now we're saying if. And we got to be doing the same thing. So if num is less than or equal to, hold on, sorry, equal to, and it's not 1,000 anymore. It's what vector? It's vec2 of v, because we're starting once again at the end. Oh, it's v2. Vec2 of v2. So then. V2, I think we're starting at the end, equals 13. Last time I did this whole code and still used V, so that's when we're starting. So this is V2, okay? And then we kind of, if that's true, then we post this, right? So then, okay, uncomment, but it's not M. It's vec of v2, okay, and it's not 1,000, but it's vec2 of v2, okay, so that's how we're using the vectors above, okay, but once again, there's a scenario that's different, like this is not the same as this, like last time, and this is not the same as this, so every other one is different, so we got to have another if here that tells us, do we want to do this, or do we want else do this other one. Alright? Does that make sense? Because this one, this line's different. This line's different. So we can't just have a loop. So we gotta have this. Okay, uncomment, which I just found out is Control T. Tab. Tab. Cool. So change this. Back up V2. Okay, change this to back to. Okay. So then, what is the controlling thing here? And I'm teaching a new thing. So if it's odd, it's 1, 3, So we go through and it's like, oh, we found out it's greater than or equal to back to 900, which is the 12th thing. That's even, so it has to go down here. If it was greater than 1,000, that's a 13, so it has to go in here, and so on and so forth. So how do you check what's even or odd? Mod is the best because it gives you the remainder. So if, let's say, for example, 10 and 2, what's the remainder of that? It's going to be 0. But if we do mod 9 and 2, it gives us 1. So if mod v2 and 2 gives us 1, then it goes in here. Else it goes in here. So this is for the odds. The evens would be when it's equal to 0 because there's no remainder. With 2, it goes in here. Okay. We end this. Okay. End this. End this. Okay. Now the issue is, what do we need to be changing each time? Okay. So then we need an else in here. So if it goes through here, that means V2 matched. If V2 didn't match, it goes into here. And what do? We don't add to it, we subtract it. Okay? And then it keeps going through this. Okay? And then V2 minus 1, and it's like, oh, we're going to exit, right? No, because the number's still not at 0. So then it goes through again. Okay? I have some glaring issues here. So let's figure that out. Let's get rid of this end. That we should be good. Yeah. Let's delete this. Okay, cool. So we have to run this and see. Once again, this is for the odd, when it matches the odd thing in here. The other one's when it's matching even. And then once again, the difference is because it has 2 numbers or letters in the vector, it takes a different code to add. Okay, cool. So then let's run this. It probably won't work knowing me. But let's give it a go. We gotta go num 9. Did that work? Give it a go. 9. That worked. It works. Don't feel too good for me because once again, it's my 3rd time doing it. Okay. So last time I tried this error thing here. The key is if error is greater than or equal to 1 is what I have down here, or 0, it needs to be 13. Okay. So that's if it goes through all the way times and doesn't add 1. Let's try. We're on short. N. Short. N. And that's just if it has 1 lowercase. If it has 2, it's going to be greater. If it has 1, it's going to get 13 errors because it hasn't matched. Okay? Now the key though, I just realized this isn't going to work because this needs to be 13. Okay, now we're good. So what we do? Short. And why did I get an error here? It shouldn't be getting. Oh, it's because every time it's going through. Let's just not worry about this. Okay, what's up, class? I just went through the struggle bus for a while. Say hello to my sister.
Hey guys.
Annie, she just showed up in the track room. We're about to go get lunch. Okay, so I had this error thing here that I wanted to use if they typed in a lowercase, or they typed in the wrong letter. So anything that doesn't match these variables up here. But I kept getting an error for everything because I just had errors greater than 0. So the problem is it's running through this loop, and each time it doesn't match one of these, which is 12 times, it adds to it. So what you need to do, instead of saying greater than 0, you gotta know it's gonna do 12 times the length. So we're going to have an error for every time it doesn't match one of these variables. And since it's only going to match one of them, and there's 13, it's going to give us 12 errors. So the key is initializing this at 1. So we have the, if it doesn't go in this loop and instead goes into the number to Roman numeral, we still have something to check it against, okay? But now let's try it. So that probably didn't make any sense, okay, no. Short, okay, Rn, okay, and so like let's say we type in a lowercase iv, error, but now let's say we do Rn, we do iv, bam, 4, okay, so we're working number, let's type in 4, iv, awesome, got it, well I'm done, I'm out, I don't know if you're actually going to watch these, but if you do, I hope they kind of help, okay, have a good weekend.